Pecan Pralines today. It's supposed to be a real simple treat. First thing that we'll have to do is take 1 cup of pecans and toast them. You can do this on the stove top, or you can do it in the oven. You can do it dry, or you can do it with a little bit of oil. I'm just going to put a touch of oil with it. Not much. And you can't leave this on the stove, so you're going to have to stay with it. Should take about 4 or 5 minutes. And then we'll move on with the rest of the recipe. A few more minutes. Okay, they're just about ready. I put a few extra in there so I can just kind of taste test them to see. They're definitely coming on nicely. And if you notice, they're starting to darken just a little bit. You want them to darken, you don't want them to burn. Okay, so let's remove this from the heat. And we're going to bring over a small saucepan. We'll turn down the heat. In the saucepan, you're going to put, that was a cup of pecans, by the way, if I didn't say it. That was a cup of pecans. Okay. 4 tablespoons of butter with the sweetener that you choose. I'm going to do allulose. I just need 1/3 of a cup because this is keto friendly. Okay, 1/3 of a cup. And you need to stir it until it's dissolved. And since we just used that burner, it's very hot, so don't walk away. This is probably going to go real quickly after this. Okay. Then you'll cook this until it becomes a deep golden brown. And as soon as it reaches that deep color, right before burning, remove from the heat and add the last remaining tablespoon of butter and vanilla. So it's gonna be like a caramel color. So we just keep stirring. And this will not go in the oven after this. After we're done, at the end, we add the pecans. It's going to go in the fridge. So it's already starting to change color, but it's not brown just yet. And this was real butter. This was not margarine or anything like that. I also have my wax-lined baking sheet ready to drop these on as soon as they come together. Okay, now it's a milky color. Still not there yet. Don't want this to burn, so you need to be really, really careful in making yourself some, almost like a caramel coating. Slowly turning up my heat as I go to get back up to a medium heat. The recipe didn't state this, but I was just afraid my butter would burn. Okay, we'll let it rest a second. I'm going to go ahead and get my last tablespoon of butter ready. And my vanilla. And we need about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And I may have to eyeball it. Add some extra space. Okay, looking in, checking. Still not there yet. I don't think it's far because I see some separation going on. So get in here and stir it again. It's supposed to be about a 15-minute recipe total. So we'll see. I'll turn the heat up a little bit more. It's still too golden. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving right now. So I just decided last minute to do a few things. Alright, so it's starting to bubble. So you better watch it very carefully at this point, because this is where your color is going to change and it's going to burn, and you're going to try to remove it before then. You're looking for a deep golden brown. We're almost there. Like a caramel color, but not as dark and rich. You're going to get really, really close. Okay, it's starting to turn. Almost like a vanilla wafer brown, or just a tad bit lighter. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off because I'm scared that we're going to burn. So, okay, so you're supposed to remove it from the heat and add your last remaining tablespoon of butter while it's still warm. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to need to whisk it in until it's smooth. And we'll go ahead and put in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And continue to whisk until the butter is melted. And then, as soon as it's melted, we're going to add a pinch of salt. And we're going to add the pecans. And then we're done. All we have to do then is put it on our lined cookie sheet. Okay, so the butter's melted. Let me get a pinch of salt. Okay, did that. Salt's in there. Now, add the pecans. I have a spoon here. Stir them up. So it's like a really rich caramel color, but not like deep, deep dark brown. It's like a golden brown. And you stir them up. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. Okay. Then you want to bring over, after you've stirred the pecans in, you want to bring your lined cookie sheet over. And I dropped a little bit of water on it. I don't want to ruin them. Okay. And you're supposed to drop 5 spoonfuls on this wax paper. So let me do that. Okay. And I use pecan halves, but I'm pretty certain you could use chopped. I just wanted, you know, more pecan than cookie. I mean, I'm sorry, candy. The candy part, you know. I'm pretty sure you could do either. The recipe doesn't say, but I just went ahead and did halves. And this is supposed to harden up in the fridge, so you don't have to worry about all the liquid. I think it's going to kind of stay where it's at. And you don't have to be perfect either. I'm pretty certain that I probably should have done like smaller ones, but I'm pretty sure they're not going to last either, so it's not going to really matter. Okay, that is everything. I'm just going to add a little bit of this to it, and then stick them in the fridge. You have to stick them in the fridge until they're firm, and then I'll take them out and show you what they turn out looking like. See you in a second. This is the end product. Sugar-free way of making like a sugar-free candy. It's real easy and simple, and it's perfect for the holidays. See you next time. Go of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and